26th ऑल इंडिया प्रिजायडिंग ऑफिसर्साचे कॉन्फरन्स जाता लखनौ आनी थिंगा दीस सेशन आसपाक जाय म्हणून एक रेजोल्युशन घेतलेले सगळे स्पिकरान आमी स्पीकर सांगलेले आसा इज द कस्टोडियन ऑफ द हाऊस and he has assured us that time will be given to the opposition as well. With regards to the issues of how Viresh Borkar was manhandled, मुखेलमंत्री आमी सांगलेले आसा ते इमिजिएटली PI टर्मिनेट जावपाक जाय.
टर्मिनल सस्पेंड
तेणे उतर दिलेले आसा की ही इज गोइंग टू आता सध्या तेजे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जाता एंड ही विल शॉर्टली मेक शुअर that that particular PI has to be booked for whatever he has done, because this is the right of a legislature. This is the protection that the legislature gets, especially when the session is on. तिसरे जे 39A जे बिल आमी जोड म्हाका दिसता 16 तारखेक जे घातलेले आनीक तेमी आमकां सांगलें आमी तांकां सांगलां टॅक्टीक करिनाका अंडर द पर्व्यू की लॉ डिपार्टमेंटा वेट करपाक जाय. This type of tactics should stop. आमकां अश्युरन्स दिलेले आसा की ऑन 2nd of March they have asked for a reply. They have asked for a reply and enough is enough. जे हे 39 स्क्रॅप करपाक जाय हे बिल आमी जे घातलेले आसा हे हिंगा हाऊसान हेजेर चर्चा जावपाक जाय. आमी स्पिकराक सांगलेले आसा. आय बिलीव most of the MLAs in the opposition have put this particular bill. With regards to the decorum of the house needs to be maintained. जे थोडे हिंगा हात हालोवपाक सारखे मुखार आहाय इसली जरी तर प्रथा हिंगा जाली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता फाल्यां जोत्याचे आराडू पडटले. इतले पाड हे जातले मुखार हिंगा हे जावंक ना आनी हाऊसाची प्रथा आमी डेकोरम मेंटेन करपाक जाय. आमी ईमेल जे बरयल्ले स्पिकरान सांगलां की ही वील मेक शुअर that whatever was done will be on the first day he is going to make a mention. This is what we have been assured in the house. दुसरे जे बाब विदेशाचे सेक्युरिटी आसा खास करून जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इश्यू आसा पर्टेनिंग टू दिस ऑल्सो टाइम शुड बी गिवन इन दिस हाऊस. तिसरे जे 0R आनीक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन ऑपोजिशनाक टाइम मेळपाक जाय हेजेय चर्चा जाली. क्वेश्चन आवर जे 48 hours प्रायर जे दिवपाक जाय हिंगा कितें जाता समज एक तिकट क्वेश्चन येयलें जाल्यार ते मागीर ते दुसरे डिपार्टमेंटाक ट्रान्सफर कोताय आनी मागीर अनस्टार्ट करून उडय. हे इतली वर्सां ही प्रथा जाल्या. ऑनरेबल स्पीकर हेज सेड येसले हे ह्या सेशनाक जावचें ना. ऑपोजिशनाक टायम दितले. मुखेलमंत्रीके जरी तर डिमांड चोयल्यार मंडे 51 म्हणजे गोल्डन जुबली पास जालो तो आतां मुखार गेला सारको इतलो फास्ट जाला भुरगो आनीक आतां मुकूट तेगेलो सिल्वरान आतां गोल्डन जाला आनी गोल्डनान तो आतां आनी एक हे दिसांनी घोडे आनी एक डायमंड घालपाक सोदिता. हे दिसान घोडे जायत आनी एक पोर्टफोलियो घोडे तो उक्कू जायत तो डायमंड घालपाक सोदिता मुकुटाचेर सार सेंटराक. सो कोटो तुमकां तेका तुमी विचाराय तेतून कोटोले. सो म्हाका दिसता की very serious issues have to be tabled, have to be spoken. The bills what we put, we as opposition म्हाका खात्री आहा we will coordinate within ourselves and make sure we show this government where they are failing. They have failed miserably. The corruption, whatever issues need to be taken together, we will take it.
आरजीपीचो प्रेसिडेंटान तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक टार्गेट केलो तरी आमी पळयता की तुमी आजुनी वांगडा आसा काय कशें कितें आसा?
कितें आहा मरे आमी डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी आमगेली डेमोक्रेटीक आमगे हुकुमशाय ना. विदीन माय पार्टी I have been given, I can express my view. We are not the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, if someone speaks on me, I will speak back on that particular person. Now, I think our president belongs to the Congress party. He is working for the Congress party. Everyone knows how he is working for the Congress party. So, I think it's better that the party president clarifies on this particular issue.
But as a लोपी आणि त्या पार्टीतल्यान तुम्ही निवडून इल्या म्हणून तुमकां
तुमचो लीडर
तुम्ही त्यांका डिफाइन
प्रेसिडेंट तुमची लीडर
हांव कितें मागीर आनी कितें definitely he is our party president.
Party leader.
And our party president is capable enough to defend himself. He's been defending the party for 4 years. So definitely, see what Congress party is a party that has democratic values. Congress party is a party that has to take all the parties along. So Mode, if the ultimate issue is that we have to take everyone along. We are the principal. One second. Let me finish. We are the principal opposition party. If we are the parents, we have to take the children, we have to take the grandchildren together. We have to take them together with us. Sometimes even when you speak sometimes to your parents might not like it. But that the parent takes everyone along. It is our duty in the interest of Goa. Goa is our mother. We have to protect
पण
our
at
mother.
least
युरी बाब तो
समजून
आपल्या
घेतलं
इंडियन
पाहिजे.
सोडतालो म्हणतो तो. पण
Condemn
तू
करता
त्यांचा
म्हणून
leader
मुली.
म्हणून तुवें कंडेम केला.
हा
प्रश्न कितें? Don't put words in my mouth. Okay. What I am trying to say. तुम्ही ऑपोजिशन युनायटेड मग जाय तुमकां नाका गोंयांत युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन जाय नाका
ना या
तुम्ही
दोन्ही
तर
आमकां
United
प्रश्न
Opposition
विचारता,
नाच
same
म्हणटा.
तुम्ही आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटा विचारप न्ही, समजत
ते
घालपाचें
हांवें
तेका.
कितें उलयलां आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटाक कितें
हय,
उलयलां
ना.
हांव कितें तें आय विल नॉट पुट इट आउट
आं.
माय थिंग इज वी हॅव अ प्रेसिडेंट हू इज वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा वी हॅव अ प्रेसिडेंट हू इज वर्किंग फॉर द काँग्रेस पार्टी इट इज माय रोल एज लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन or whatever if we have differences to make to sort it out आणि लांबच्या लांब कोण फायट ना this is not going to take us anywhere it is in the interest of Goa we are Goans first let Goans unite first
हो अलायन्स
मनोज-
दिसतलो तुमचो
across party
बाय
line
इलेक्शनाक अलायन्स दिसतलो तुमचो फोंडा बाय इलेक्शन
कालच्या
लागीं
दिसाक
आसा.
हांवें अपील केलें I have appealed and our desk in charge during our last meeting on the political affairs committee meeting requested me to make an appeal to all political parties in the opposition that we should fight together. It is my role here in the assembly and now he requested me to speak and make sure that unitedly we should go. So that is what I've been doing and I made an open yesterday as well I made an open speech communication to all other political parties that we should single-handedly make sure that the BJP goes home. The BJP is the PIDA. BJP should go home. All of us are fighting maybe with each other. But I will tell you that at the end of it, Goans are watching. I am not the type of a person who जायतना हातून मारपाचो प्रयत्न केला. I do not react like that. हांवें हें जायत चोयलां आनी हें सगळें जें एक म्हाका दिसता एक्चुअली रियलिटी तुमकां दिसता की जेन्ना तुमी सांगता युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसतलें काय कितें सेशना होणें आनी जेन्ना सेशन मागीर at the end of it, I always make a comment that I thank all the political parties. I will not say this political party has done this, other political party has done this. We should, within the opposition, unite and unitedly fight this BJP. Other the BJP will take advantage of the situation.
युरी बाब, you asked CM who gave the order to lift
from CCP office. See, who gave the order? You don't think CM gave the order? So definitely, he is heading the ministry. He should take responsibility. The question doesn't arise of who gave the order. He is at the. That means without his orders, they can touch an MLA. Where is the question? I'm directly saying, without his orders, can you touch an MLA from there? Okay, you think the police have not informed the in charge or the department who's heading? We have said that action needs to be taken immediately, and he has to be terminated from the service.
police have done their duty on their office.
That you ask him.
CM is responsible for managing operation.
He heading the home department. Definitely, it comes on his responsibility, on his shoulders. Who heads the home department?
So why the PI has to be terminated? Because he followed the order.
So that whether CM has to be terminated, PI has to be terminated. It is all together.
ट्रान्सफर केला ना तुम्ही ट्रान्सफर केला पी
कितें रे ती ट्रान्सफर कितें हें कदंबा बस ट्रान्सफर करपाक इश्यू असो आसा की इट इज अ सिरियस ऑफेन्स सी विदिन द प्रेस टुगेदर यू ऑल आर द फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी देर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बट मे बी यू ऑल हैव डिफरन्सेस बट यू ऑल आर डूइंग ऑल दिस फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा you are doing it for the interest of Goa. So someone manhandling a single press as an organization, you all condemn it. You all stick to it. So I think it is the same way. He is my colleague. If this was done even to a ruling MLA, I would have done the same thing. You need to condemn this. It is not in the interest of democracy. And why did he go there? He went there for defending his the rights of his constituents.